Ask me. Say, what you doing now, Karen?
Oh, what you doing now, Karen?
I am going to prep a prime rib roast for the smoker. I want to make some kind of a Mexican corn on the cob, but I want to do it in the microwave. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. So what I'm going to do is I have this big boy right here. I'm guessing that's probably about 5 pounds. And I'm going to put Big Dave steak seasoning into softened butter. 1/3 of softened butter and 1 tablespoon of Dave's steak seasoning, and mix it up in here. Then I'm going to smear it all over the sides of this. This already has the bones in it, so I'm not going to bother doing the bone side. The bones portion of it's actually going to turn into being my rack when we go to put it in the smoker. And you don't want a whole lot of smoke flavor to it, so we're only going to put peach, because it's a milder fruit type, sweeter smoke. Put it in the smoker 1 time, and then that'll be it. At the beginning we won't restock the chips. I'm putting this on about an hour before we put it in the smoker. There we go. I want to make a easy Mexican corn on the cob, so I'm just going to try something and see if it works. I've got 2 ears of corn. I am going to kind of just soak them, just get them wet. And then I'm going to put them in press and seal. To help keep that moisture in, so they'll cook nice and quick. And probably 4 to 5 minutes each in the microwave. So I put both of these in there. I'll probably go, our microwave's a little slow, so I'll probably go 10 minutes on ours. So they're ready to go. So I'll tell you about the sauce that I make to put on them afterwards when I'm done. Behind the microwave. So now that my corn is cooking in the microwave, I'm going to make a chili Mexican type spread to put on it. Just kind of making this up as I go, so we'll see how it comes out. I have a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise in here, and I'm going to use my Martha Stewart chili seasoning. 1 tablespoon of it in there.
Almost 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. And I'm going to also add some lime juice, and I'm going to do about half that tablespoon. You don't have to use lime juice, but I happen to have it. I'm also going to put some cilantro in it. I have fresh cilantro. You can also buy the cilantro in a tube, and you just squeeze out some.
That's quite a handy-dandy little chopper you have there.
Oh yeah! For those who watched me make other stuff, you know my other chopper was falling apart. So I finally broke down Amazon.com/shop/Watts on Wheels. You can buy it there. And then I'm just going to mix this up. So I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator until we get ready to eat, which will be several hours from now, but it gives the seasoning a chance to do its thing. So we'll see how it comes out. Okay. Let's check it out. I did these for 4.5 minutes each for a total of 9 minutes. Oop, I didn't go far enough.
Ah. Oh, that one looked hot.
It's like a little one. Otherwise, it would just fall out like that. These are some scrawny looking little corn.
Yeah, it's not that time of year for corn.
Yeah. Alright, you want to cut up the meat?
Let's do it.
Let's see how the prime rib came out.
Yeah, run around there.
This is about 2.5 hours. Ran it up to 122 degrees.
So I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to flip it over.
Oh, yeah. And pull it in further because I don't want to go and flying off the table.
Oh, right there, huh?
Right between the bones.
Oh.
And you've been basting this with butter with Dave's steak seasoning in it. You didn't add any additional wood chips to it, did you?
Nope.
Oh. Whoa.
There you go. That's prime rib, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Prime rib done right.
I like my prime rib rare. Dave likes his a little bit more done, so he is just going to stick it into the au jus that I made, which will cook it some more. But in the meantime, I am going to try my chili sour cream mayo mixture on my corn. I'm never going to be able to eat all that. But that was really good on there. That sauce is good. Those are my balsamic vinegar Brussels sprouts. Maybe I'll give that recipe to you another time.
There you go.
Oh, they're good too. So,
All right.
go get your meat. So Dave, which was rare, is now probably medium.
It's medium rare.
He just put it into the au jus for a while, which I just make out of better than bouillon roasted beef base, which is amazing. And just added water to that. And if I have drippings, I add that to it. We'll see what Dave thinks of the.
I think I got carried away. Whoop. That is killer on corn.
Isn't that good?
That is good.
Now you could put all that on ahead of time, wrap it in foil, and cook it in the grill too.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Look at that. Beautiful.
Do you taste any smoke on that?
Oh, yeah.
Is it really strong?
It's there.
Do you like it on there?
I don't know. Jury's still out.
Oh, okay. Generally, we just have prime rib with all juice and the horseradish sauce. So,
Well, I haven't tried any horseradish sauce.
can you taste your seasoning on it?
Oh, yeah. Definitely taste the seasoning.
So, how's the combo?
That's the combo.
Drop the fork.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, let's see. So tender. Oh my God, they're so good. I like the seasoning.
You just put it under your tongue and let it melt.
Mm-hmm.
That's the name of it.
Really good. I do like that seasoning. And you basted it with the butter
Oh, yeah.
mixture with the steak seasoning.
Yeah.
Very good. Good job, Dave.
Thank you.
As delicious as it was, that's all we could do. Talk about having some leftovers.
Yep.
That's the good leftovers.
That's the good stuff.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.